Everyone is talking about agent-to-agent collaboration today. But for design, it has mostly meant separate sessions, separate context, and another bunch of handoff every time. We're introducing Open Design Team Workspace for Codex. Open Design Team Workspace connects every teammate's Codex session to the same live design project, so your agent can create, review, and keep the work moving with the shared context. Let me show you how it works. We're doing a DeepSeek V4 Flash campaign. For 7 days, Open Design users will get free, unlimited access to the model. I needed a landing page that explains the offer, builds excitement, and takes users directly into creating. Instead of writing a brief and handing it off, I asked my Codex to use Open Design to turn the campaign requirements into a working landing page. And it looks so good. It follows our brand guideline, and is real launch-ready code. In a traditional workflow, I would export screenshots, write a handoff brief, send everything to marketing, and wait for feedback to come back in another tool from my teammate. However, here in Open Design, the workflow is AI native. I create a team workspace called Open Design, invite my teammate Scarlett by email, then open the landing page project and use share to workspace members. Scarlett and her Codex can now open the exact same live project and continue the work from there.
Hey guys, I'm Scarlett. I do marketing and I own marketing site for this campaign. Codex has already built a really solid landing page for the campaign brief. And my job is to make sure users immediately understand why it matters, feel the urgency, and knows exactly what to do next. Actually, I see 3 things that get in the way. Instead of rewriting the page or turning this into another feedback document, I give them straight to Codex. Hey Codex, add 3 comments to Codex landing page. First, the headline says free, but a stronger promise, unlimited access, and the exact deadlines are easy to miss. Second, add more DeepSeek V4 Flash identity for the event. And third, the conversion path is split between trying the model and reading the announcement. Alright, I bring my take, and Codex puts every note exactly where it belongs in Open Design Team Workspace. So when Codex and her agent pick it up, they get a whole story. No extra brief, no follow-up meetings. Great, now I've done my job.
When I come back, Scarlett's feedback is already here. I simply ask my Codex to resolve her comments. Codex gets everything done perfectly. This is the design loop team usually pass through Figma. One person creates, another reviews, and someone turns the feedback into the changes. We just run the whole loop through Codex and Open Design, and we didn't open Figma once. Open Design Team Workspace is live today inside all new Open Design applications. Bring your team and their Codex into Open Design. Codex can now design with your whole team. This is day 1 of Open Design launch week. Every day, we're putting Codex and Open Design against another design tool, team, or workflow. Now start a team workspace, bring your team, and show us what you can kill with Open Design in our Discord community. By the way, the DeepSeek free use campaign is real.